14-piece touch-up and trim haircutting kit, perfect for the whole family. Compact size makes it easy to touch up and trim around ears, sideburns and necklines. Self-sharpening, high-carbon steel blades are precision ground to stay sharp longer. Includes battery clipper, 1Ah battery, blade guard, barber comb, mustache comb, cleaning brush, blade oil, drawstring storage pouch, 6 guide combs, and full-color English and Spanish instructions. 2-year limited warranty. The Wahl Cordless Mini Pro 14-piece touch-up trim haircutting kit makes it easy to touch up and trim around ears, sideburns and necklines. The clipper is battery-operated for maximum freedom of movement. The guide combs make it easy to get the perfect look. Includes a drawstring storage case and wall-exclusive accessories. Top reviews from the United States. The best little shaver. My husband and I fight over this thing. It is perfect for trimming the hard-to-get areas when cutting my son's hair. My husband uses it to trim up his beard and mustache, as well as stretch him between haircuts. He prefers this over the rechargeable shavers that he has tried. I do believe it drains batteries fairly quickly.